Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. To check the power steering fluid in this vehicle, we have to remove this cover. So we're going to remove the oil cap, twist that off, pull that off. There's a screw right here. We're going to use a Torx. It's a T30 Torx bit, an extension and a ratchet. So we loosen this up. We can do it by hand. Pull this screw out. Once that is out, you can grab the cover from underneath, yank it up, grab in the back, give it a yank, pull that cover off. We can put the oil cap back on so we don't get anything with the oil. Now the power steering fluid is right here. We can wipe it off a little bit. We can pull the cap. It's a little bit tricky with this air intake in the way. Twist it to the left and then pull up. We're going to wipe it with the rag first. Reinstall the cap and then take it off again. Check the dipstick. And it wants to be right in between those hash marks there. This one, it's a little bit low. You can see it in the minimum, so we're going to want to top it off. All right, we're going to use a funnel. We're going to use some ATF Dex 6 in this vehicle. You want to check your owner's manual to make sure you're using the appropriate fluids. Pull the funnel out, and we will recheck it. Twist that down, and pull the cap off again. And as you can see, it's right in our hash marks, right where it wants to be. So we can reinstall our cap, and we're good to go. All right, so we'll pull our oil cap off so we can reinstall this shield. You can line it up with the cap first. And then there's these little grommets that you push down, locks in place. We'll reinstall our oil cap. We can take our Torx screw. It's going to go right in there. Take our T30 socket with our extension. Snug this down. Just use the ratchet. Just snug it down a little bit. It's all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.